This video will describe how to avoid the number one reason projects fail. Most projects do not deliver the expected result. Very often, project teams focus on symptoms, and not the core problem. The number one reason projects fail is not following a custom project workflow. Companies use projects to implement change and create their future. They want employees to use the new software, follow the new procedure, and they want customers to buy the new product. When assigned a project, beginners in small to mid-size organizations usually wing it. Their organization has not provided a workflow for doing projects. We make it easy for experienced individuals, consultants, and PMOs to create customized project workflows for their end users. Our smart templates help reduce beginner uncertainty, confusion, and stress. Users of the Project Assistant template management feature can select a project to save as a private template, or build a template from an existing template. They customize the workflow and project components, and include advice for the end users that will use the template to start projects. The advice for a particular component in the template is live linked to its corresponding component in its projects. Updating advice in the template will immediately be available in all projects that have that component. Groups are created to provide end-user members with access to specific templates. This establishes a collaboration for continuous improvement. The benefits include: project startup is faster and more predictable. Teams know what to expect. Beginners learn best practices. Project results are improved. And companies establish a culture of continuously improving outcomes while building their desired future. Request the free upgrade to template management.